Now we have an exclusive interview with Maricopa County Attorney Bill Montgomery, asking him why his office initially turned down a case against the officer involved.
And tonight he's speaking only to ABC 15 investigator Dave Biscabing about his decision to now forward the case to the FBI.
It's hard to watch. Glendale police tasing a handcuffed man nearly a dozen times. And Officer Matt Schneider, who kicks him in the testicles, also pulling down his shorts to tase him in the same place, according to a lawsuit. This happened on July 26, 2017. And it's why we're here more than a year and a half later to ask County Attorney Bill Montgomery why he's now handed the case to the FBI instead of re-looking at it himself.
Sure. I got a chance to take a look at all the video myself and believe that a further investigation was warranted. And so I felt it would be best to have a completely uninvolved agency take a fresh look at everything.
Records show Officer Schneider was turned down for prosecution by MCAO prosecutor Keith Manning, the office's law enforcement liaison. Why? It says an attorney reviewed the report and saw no reasonable likelihood of conviction. Reviewed the report. But did an attorney watch this video? Was the video sent to your office initially back in 2017?
I don't know. I wouldn't. I would be surprised if it wasn't.
Okay, so you're not sure of that at this point?
No.
Montgomery says at the time he remembers being briefed about the case, but does not remember watching the video personally. But he says he did watch it after we exposed the incident to the public. Here's the timeline. On Friday, February 8th, we aired the body camera footage. On Tuesday, Montgomery says he contacted the FBI about taking the case. Then on Wednesday, he says he sent the FBI the evidence. On that same Wednesday morning, Governor Doug Ducey also spoke out about the case, calling it unacceptable, and said it seemed like the investigation was whitewashed. Was it the video? Was it some of the public outcry, the governor's statement? What was it that you decided was the trigger point for you that we need to have this looked at?
Well, to work backwards, the governor's statement, I'd already made the decision the day before, so the governor's statement didn't have any bearing on a decision that had already been made.
Okay. Shut up. Shut up.
As for the video, Montgomery won't discuss what he thinks about it.
I want to avoid commenting on anything in particular that I may have seen, because the referral to the FBI for a review, again, like I mentioned, I didn't say anything specific that would potentially influence or suggest my take on any facet of the previous investigation or what we can view on the video.
So what about the previous investigation and the decision to turn down charges? Do you stand by how your office handled this initially?
I'm very confident in our referral to the FBI.
The county attorney says there's no limit on time or scope for the FBI's investigation. Dave is still investigating this incident, but you can see all of our coverage and that full body camera video at abc15.com/abuse of force.